Hello, I'm Jasper. Today I am working on DMX switchpack, something like that. So with a regular switchpack you can set for each channel one relay output and that's it. But I have here 8 relays. I'm using Arduino Mega, one DMX chilled CTC DRA 10R2 is Concept Dynamics. And then I have a LCD keypad shield actually connected on the Arduino, and then here DMX is coming in. So this is just this could be any DMX device, and software or without software, just a normal DMX table. And I have here the first 3. I'm using 4 DMX channels. So. In my case, with 3 channels, I would like to open a curtain in a theater. It's a very old one, curtain controlling device. So I actually had 3 buttons, and one button was to open the curtain, one was to close the curtain, and one was to stop the curtain. So wherever the position of the curtain was, when I push the stop button, it's just stopping. So, and I have the same for the main light in the theater. So one button is to make the light brighter, and the other button is to dim the lights, and there was one button to freeze the output. So what I'm doing now is I would like to have one DMX channel to control 3 relays. So when my fader is completely up, and when my signal is completely up, the curtain is going to open. When the fader or the signal DMX value is completely low, something like 0 or 1 or 2, then the curtain will close, and every value in between, the curtain will freeze its output, so it will stay where it is, whether it's open, whether it's halfway, or whether it's closed, so it will stay there. So, and I will do the same for the light in the theater hall, the main lights. So now I can program them in my shell, and I have 2 additional outputs, and these are just because I had 8 relays and just using 6, so I add 2 DMX channels when one of these channels is just over 50%. The relay will be closed, and when it's below 50%, it will be open again. So that's it. So now I put an effect on it, and you can see it's just it's always just one of these 3 will be the outputs. The LEDs are inverted, so it will be one of these 3. One of these 3 will be on, and these 2 doesn't matter. I think they go in the same time. And now I have a sine wave over the DMX channels, so it's like an effect, so you can see what's happening. So here I have DMX set DMX, and right now I have address 1. I can choose any address. 509, I could go 508 down. It's using 4 channels, and when I push select, it's storing the value in the memory of the Arduino. So after disconnecting the power, it will be still there. And here I have for SHLL. This could be the first 2 is about my first 2 DMX channels. So S from stop is the value somewhere in the middle, L from low, and high from high. So the 2 last relays, they are high or low. Okay. The 2 last relays, they are high or low, and the first 2, they could be high, but somewhere in between means stop, and then the other one is low. So that's one thing. So also when I am not using the buttons for 30 seconds, the background LCD will turn off. So that's something. And when the DMX will be lost, I will show. Then all the outputs will go off because they are inverted, and here it will be setting no DMX, and the channel is still the same. So when I connect it again, alright, come on. When I connect it again, here we are. Then everything is back on track. So this is for my situation, it's perfect. So I will upload the code on, actually it's already on GitHub, and I will put a link in the description. So any comments, just let me know. Okay, thank you.